Students, today in this video we will learn how to skip the counting of 4-digit number. Look at this number line. This is 3602, 3604, 3606, 3608, 3610, 3612, 3614. So each number is skipped one digit. So 2, 4, 8, the units are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. The even numbers are being shown in the line. This is called skipping the counting. Let's practice. Do skip counting in twos and write the numbers. So this is 2500 to 2510. So 2500, 2502, 2504, 2506, 2508, 2510. Meanwhile, you will write 7644, 7646, 7648, 7650, 7652, 7654 up to 54 is done. So next 60, 100, 36, 60, 100, 38, 60, 100, 40, 60, 100, 42, 60, 100, 44, then 60, 146. In the meanwhile, you will count 55, 5100, 57, 5100, 59, 5161, and so on. You will count, skip the one digit. Here Bunny skips the counting in threes. As in the previous column, you have skipped the counting in twos. Here you will skip the counting in threes. 6221, 22 and 23 is skipped, and 24. Then 25, 26 is skipped, 27, 27, 28, 29 is skipped, 30. So 31, 32 is skipped, 60, 200, 33, 60, 34, 35 skipped, 6, 37, 38 skipped, 39, 60, 200, 39. And in the same way you will skip the counting in threes. Now the next third, skip the count in fours and fill in the missing numbers. So now you will skip the counting in fours and fill out the missing number. 4804, 4808, 4812, 4816, 4820, 4824, 4828, and so on. You will skip 4 letters in each. 60, 100, 6028. You can write like this. So you can skip 6029, 10, 6029, 30, 31, 32. So 6032. So you will write 6032, and in the same way 6036. You will skip 4 letters, and again 6040, 6044, 6048. And now in all the other number you will skip 4 different number. You can also draw 4 lines to skip like 9308, 9309, 9310, 9311, 9312. So here you will write 9312 and so on. You will skip in the count in fives now. In the same way as in twos, threes and four, you will skip the counting in fives, and you will have to do this work by your own. The same way as we are going ahead, so our skipping is also increasing. Skips in tens, hundreds and thousands. It means that you will have to only count tens column. If it is tens, so you will have to count this one. Skip counting in hundreds. You will add one digit to 100 in the each next and skip counting to thousand. Skip counting to thousand is the easiest of all. Only 1000 column changes. So let's start. Fill in the missing number. Skip counting in 10,000. So this is the 10,000. Only 10,000 column will be changing. 15,602. So this is one. So here this will be 2, 5, 6, 0, 2. It will remain same. So it becomes 25,602. In the next column this 2 will become 3, and in the next this 2 will become 4, and in the next this 2 will become 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So only 10,000 column is changed because you will have to skip it in the 10,000. So when you will write all the letters like 5, 6, 0, 2, again 5, 6, 0, 2, 5, 6, 0, 2, it becomes 2500, 602, 3500, 602, 4500, 602, 5500, 60. 10,000 is being skipped. In each column you need to skip only 10,000. This is 2. Here it will be 3, 7, 4, 5, 3. They will remain. In this way 37,455, 47,453, 57,453, 67,453 and so on. In the same C and D you will skip the 10,000s. Skip the counting in tens. That simply means you need to change only tens. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Here 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 3250, 3200, 60, 3200, 70, 3200, 80, 3200, 90. 2580, 2590, 2600, 2610, 2620. You will count. You will add 1 in only tens because you will have to skip the counting in tens. Here also you will have to skip the counting in tens. Skip the counting in hundreds mean in 100 rows this row should be skipped. Here 2, 3, 4, 5 in 100 side, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the so on 100 side, and here in the 1000 side this is the 1000, 2462, here 3462, 4462, 5462, 6462 and so on. All the columns should be done like this. Called six-digit number is called 100,000. So you all will have to read page number 26 and 27 to come to know about